XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking at this one as expanding for one more drop. Okay, that's we mentioned if there is a breakout, we mentioned we expecting the price to break the low. As we can see, the price break the low and reverse. That's why we mentioned if we get the reversal, we are looking for buy. Every time we mention sharp move, correction of lag. This is what we get. Even there is a correction with the three waves. All right, now the thing is, anyone is in this trade since the what we get is really sharp, they should whether take out the profit or move their stop loss to break even because may we get the reversal. Okay, now I want to see what's the next and how we can look for trade. In this case, we start with the daily chart. All right, in daily chart, we have been looking for this down move. We want to see whether this one can continue and break this low or not. Okay, by the way, maybe we start with the forward chart. Okay, and as we can see, based on forward chart, the way we're looking at the chart was still similar. What we have been looking for, we wanted to put this one in relative to each other and this one to at least break this low, which is 0.39. Okay, and if I remove everything, no, the only thing is, can we put this one in relative to this for bigger flat in relative to one for next move? Okay, no, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for this if it gives us a flat, but all it depends on what we get from here. We need to wait because maybe we get the correction for continuation or drop because it's still we can see the price haven't broke this top, which is 0.467. Okay, that's why we want to see if this one turn to a flat in relative to this next move. Mostly we can expect the price to break 0.39. Okay, in this case, even if we move to we put this one in relative to this, we would whether we have divergence. Yeah, we have divergence here. And how about the MACD? Yes, we have. Okay, this is also one of the reason for the reversal. And now we're looking at this flat. And if I put back everything, we mentioned if we get any sell, we want the price to break this on 0.39. But now we want to see whether we can get the flat there or not. Okay. Okay, first of all, we don't have any trade set up whether for buy or sell. If we want to look for buy, for sure we need to get the correction here for continuation with the breakout of this top. If we want to look for sell, we need to get the sharp move like I don't think we can right now. We can mention we need, I mean, we don't need to talk about that unless we see the changes. Okay, by the way, we don't have any trade set up right now. How are we going to look at the chart? If I remove this one, now we want to see whether if we can look at this, we can see we have internal divergence. If we put the internal correction, if we put this one in relative to this, we have 1 2 3. Okay, that's why if we put this one as a first move, we put these three waves as a flat, we can expect for one more drop. This is what I was mentioning. Okay, another thing is may this one also continue move a bit higher, break the top. Okay, we will have the different type of the flat, but we will be more interested if price do not break the top. Okay, by the way, right now we need to see another a few hours, we see what we get from here, then from there we can make a decision whether we should look for buy or sell, because what we want, we are more interested again if we get this flat, we can expect the next move to break the low because we will looking for this. Okay, by the way, right now we have to wait again to see what we get, because if we get any sell setup, then we are more interested to look for sell. But beside that, if there is opportunity, but we can look for buy, because we mentioned still we can give one more correction for continuation to break the top, because at that time this one can tend to expanding flat. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup, we just follow the chart, we wait and see what we will get from here. Then from there, if I see any update or trade setup, I will share. Thanks.